Where am I even going? Oh, yeah, you're back! God damn it! Oh, no! No! Like demonic looking. Oh no! We are back! Yes, we are back! Oh yeah! The progression, the adventure, the freaky creatures. Alright, welcome back! We are on cycle 51 in Shoreline, which is the new environment I was able to progress to. Finally! Finally, I can move on from garbage waste! So yeah, there's this thing here that I found. Uh, yeah, this. I'm not sure what I'm meant to do here. I think I'm meant to give her gifts. Maybe. Does she want pearls? Ooh, what's this? So I'm going here because I remember last time I saw a green pearl. And I want that green pearl. Nope. Yes, right there. It's right there. Down. Jump. No. Oh, I want the green pearl. I want the green pearl. I want the green pearl. Come on, buddy. Can't be that hard. Can't be that hard. Stop it. Yeah. 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 Am I meant to go that way? Or was it this way? Oh, shoot. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Like, how do I jump this? How do I jump this? No! Wait, am I meant to get it from up here? No! Yes? How do I get there? I want the green pearl! No, I can't be stopped. I can't be stopped. Oh! Wait. So I have to do all this again, right? Oh my god, I have to do it all. Oh my... Wait. No! Please! Please, I beg you. Oh my god, it's about to rain. It's about to rain. Oh my god, it's about to rain. I'm so dead. I'm so dead! No, please, please, please. Can I even... I don't think I can make it. I don't think I can make it. No, 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 no. I'll just get... Just end me. Just end me. Just end me. Just end me. I didn't want to... I didn't want to live anyway. Just... Yeah, whatever. Kill me. Kill me now. It's over. It's done. It's done. Just let me restart. Let me restart. Alright, let me quickly go give this pearl. This has to be like some friendly person that I should try and... like befriend. I think. Also, I did release like some xenomorph looking thing from these canisters, so now I am afraid that I'm gonna die a horrible death from some disgusting parasite or something. We're not going for the green shiny orb, because screw that. That's one orb. Two orb. Let me eat this one. Let me climb back up. Yes. 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 Very nice. Okay. Okay. Good. Oh, I need to find food, right? Oh, I can't save. Oh, shoot. How much time do I have? Oh, I have a good amount of time. Okay, after I give these pearls, I'm just gonna leave and see if I can find another save point. Okay, it's nice to meet you. Yep. Good talk. Goodbye. So I'm seeing a lot of like buildings and stuff. Are they like, do they make those or is it something else? I should probably save here actually. That is a good idea. You know what? I'm actually gonna do that. Just to be safe. Because I don't think I have enough time to... Oh, what is that? That's so cool. But that... also kind of freaky. Yeah, I have like no time. Alright, good. Oh, interesting. Is that a robot? You know, I accidentally ate one of those flying light things. Was I not supposed to eat it? I'm glad I died on that one. A new friend. Do I get a power up or something? Superpowers? No, no, that's okay. Looks to the moon. What is this looks to the moon thing? I'm in Shoreline, right? Is that like a place? Oh, wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost drowned. I'm so sorry. I did not know I could make that. I just assumed. Okay. Alright, we're back here. Cool. There is a spot somewhere. No, I explored that. This one. I didn't explore that. Wait. Wasn't this the one where I saw the huge monster? Ah! So far so good. There's nothing freakishly big in the water. I think I'm okay. Huh. It's actually not that bad. Oh, yuck! Yuck! Oh! Wait, what's that? Oh, no, just keep going, just keep going. Just keep going, just keep going, just go. I think I saw the tentacle. No, keep going, keep going. Keep swimming! Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Good. Let me grab food. What's that? What have I done? Oh! Wait, no, I think it's coming. Wait, I think it's coming. No, please. Where am I going? Oh, I gotta keep going, keep going. Oh shoot. Ah! Is it this one? Yes, it's this one. There's more food. Yay. I'm an expert. I got this. Yeah. Alright, thank God. Huh? Ugh, yuck. Oh, I'm not going there. No way. Screw you. No, bro. Where am I even going? Oh, yeah, you're back. God damn it. Oh, God. Where am I meant to go? I don't know where I'm going. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my God, the rain's coming. Stop. I need to find a spawn. Please. Is that the spawn? Is that the spawn? Yes! Wait! Oh! Wait, how did I find the next gate so easily? Wait, I barely explored this place. It took me so many tries to get out of garbage waste and now I'm already out of shoreline? Like, just like that? I should probably save. I should. But I'm not going to. It's so dark. Wait, hold on. It's so dark. I can't see anything. Never mind. Can't adjust the setting. I can't see anything. Hold on. Oh my God, I can't. Why is it so dark? Whoa. Shaded Citadel. Ooh, spooky. Ooh, what the? Don't fall. Thank you. I can't see anything. Oh! God damn it. You know what? I am going to save. I can already tell this is gonna be a pain. Oh my God, yeah. This is gonna be such a pain. Alright, I'm saving. Let me go save real quick. I can already tell. The parkour is crazy. I can't even see anything. Let me turn up the brightness. Can I turn it up? Oh, alright. Well, I've turned it up. So let's see. Okay, let me save real quick. We are saving. so we don't die. Like how do these worlds connect? Is it like just one massive castle? So I went from garbage waste, which is probably outside of the castle, to drainage system, which is like underneath the castle. I was in shoreline, so maybe that's like, I don't know. I don't know where shoreline would be. Jump that. Okay. I knew it. I knew it. I knew I'd be back here. That's why we saved. I knew it. Please. Oh my goodness. I can't see anything. Why is it so dark? Oh my god. I'm sorry. I genuinely can't see anything. What is this? Oh, thank god. Man, you really scaring me. God damn it. Okay, okay. Alright, he wants me to go there. Alright, let's go there. Where's the tunnel? Golly. The hell? Ew. Okay, how do I get up there? Like, come on. Come on, how do I get up there? Oh. Ah! Right, well. Yeah, okay. I am so blind I can't see anything. Alright, yeah, you want me to go here? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. What is that? How do I get there? Do I get a light? Is it getting lighter? Alright, he wants me to go down there? Sure. Oh! Oh, no, no, back up! Oh, no! No! Can I find a save point, please? 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 I can't see anything. Oh, yes! Screw you! Spiders. Gated Citadel. Yay! Spiders and ghosts and skeletons and grubs and maggots. Ah! I'm not sure what I'm getting. The Saint? Is that like a holy slug cat? Do I get holy powers? Do I have God on my side? Now we know there are spiders in here. Yay! I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Let's keep going down. No, we're not going back. Leave me alone. Do we need to go back? Or maybe we have to go back. No, I don't want to go back. No, 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 I don't want to go back. No, no. How do I get a... Can I get a light? Is that possible? Why is it so hard to see in this? I need to turn the brightness up. There's no way. I can't see any... Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. I need... Where can I get the brightness settings? Okay. We're playing blind. Oh yeah. I can't see anything. What the hell? And what was in the water? What killed me? There is something in the water. What is that? Oh. Oh, I see you. Okay, okay, okay. Cross it, please cross it, please cross it, please cross it. Please, please, please! I have no more food left. I think I'm screwed. How am I meant to do this? Yeah, I know I have to go there, buddy. Yeah, I know. Shut up! You're not the one doing the swimming! Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Yeah, oh my god. Why do I have to deal with that? I don't want to. Oh, I see you. I think I don't know what I did. Stop! Stop! Leave me alone. What the hell are you? Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay. You can leave now. We get it. We get it. I know you're there. Oh, even moving slowly doesn't work. What is that? Is that a tree? Oh my, this is where I lose everything, alright? Yeah, this is where I'm gonna lose everything. Oh, I can feel it. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to it, yep. Man, you make me mad. Oh, stop! You crazy little bugger. Oh, is he attracted to noise? Okay. How did I get past you the first time? Like, I wanna know, Like, why? I'm gonna lose it. What is this? Is this a tree or something? Like, what are you? Ah! I chucked it. It failed. Let me grab something else. Are you a flashbang or are you a rock? Come on, buddy. I missed. Do I have another rock, maybe? A weapon of mass destruction? No? Fine, whatever. I don't want it anyway. Let me just sacrifice the pill. Take it. Buddy. How did I get past it the first time? What the? There must be another way. There must be another way. Up here? I'm gonna kill you. Swim. It retreated. Yes! 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 Right, number 2. Bring it on. Retreat, buddy. Retreat. Retreat. I made it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have found the way. Okay, so what I think this is how you beat it. You stay still, you wait for it to go into its resting phase, whatever, and then you swim under it. No! Wait, there was one right there! Oh my. See, I can't see anything. What the hell is going on? Oh, this is not fun. This is so not fun. Oh, I'm gonna be. Oh, I'm getting mad. Yeah, I get it, bro. I get it. Where's the spear? Let me just kill this thing real quick. Oh. Take that. Oh. Take that. Yes. No. You were meant to die. Huh? Take that. Oh my god. 3 hits? Oh my lord. Is it to the left or to the right? At ease, soldier. At ease. At ease. Is it at ease? Oh my god, it's so hard to see anything in here. Alright, I see you. Just keep moving. Please. How do I get past you now? So under? Oh my god, parkour this. I just want to get out of here! Please, I'm begging you, I'm so close. Is there another spear anywhere? Is there another spear anywhere? No! Please! I just need one more spear. Yes! Yes! Oh my god. Please. Ah! Oh, I already know it's coming. I already know the rain's coming. Please. Oh, please. Oh, I'm so close. It's so far. Oh, please. Right, now where the hell am I? What was that? Memory crypt. Oh, this is some freaky. What? I'm not. I don't feel safe. Please, 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 please. I'm not safe here. Magic mushrooms. Hey, hey. Okay, why is it so dark? Is it just my computer? There's no way, right? Brightness. That max brightness. Like, what is this? I literally can't see anything. I'm meant to be able to eat you. Nope. Oh! Oh. Right, well, I'll bring one. Yeah, sure, why not? I'll shoot. I'll shoot. I'll shoot. Oh my god, what is that? Oh, wait, it blinds them. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, well, that's what you get, bro. Oh, the back. Yeah, the back. I love it. I love it. Scissor chickens. Oh my god, they're actually freaky. Like, demonic looking. Oh no! Am I meant to go down? I'm going down. I'll go down. Yeah. I'll go down. Sure. Oh my god, he's trying to kill my parasite. Whatever. I'm done. I'll just leave this for another day. I'm so glad I'm out of Shoreline though. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.